Hey, how's it going, everyone? I am Coach Megan.
And I'm Coach Akila.
She's Coach Akila. We coach gymnastics together at schools. Woohoo! She's awesome. So anyways, we're gonna do partner cartwheels today. So we're gonna cartwheel when you hold on to someone and you do the cartwheel together. It's so cool.
It's a lot of fun.
So here it is, check it out. High five! Yes! Now you want to make sure it's about to, oh my gosh, it's the thunder. I gotta hurry. So you want to make sure, of course, you have a regular cartwheel. Cartwheels in a row. I'll put that video for you here. Because if you don't have cartwheels, then you're gonna really not know what you're doing and you're gonna fall, probably. Okay, so when you start, figure out which way you want to go. We're both righty cartwheelers. You want to pick the stronger side that you cartwheel on. It's just makes a lot of sense. Hello. So this person is the base. Notice her knees are a little bent, then you have a little more support. The cartwheeler is going to step in pretty close to her foot, and I'm going to hook my right arm, this is for a righty side, around her thigh, her left thigh. And then my head's gonna go in the middle. Think about staying close to her. She is your friend. You know, just be close. It's cold out, it's nice. So as you hook that hand, you get your foot up over your head. And nice big split. You don't want your foot to go in front of you around the side. And then you're gonna hook the other hand tight. Do not let go. She's gonna hook around the front. Do you see how I'm really hooking it? Got my head in the middle, feet up over my head, and then when you land, spot the ground. Because if you're looking at the clouds, you're probably not gonna land where you wanna land. So look for the ground, try and get your foot close to hers once again, and as you come down, you're gonna pull her legs up. So she knows I talk a lot, you guys. I'm sorry. Just trying to explain it. So as you come over, another mistake we made was I held on to her legs too long. So the foot that's coming down, which is gonna be her left foot, you're gonna let go of that right hand so that she can land. And then you're gonna go right into the next one, but make sure, this is what I did wrong also, I'm so sorry. Make sure that she has landed. You wanna not wait there for, you know, like the popcorn to get done and the microwave, you know, let her land and then get right in there, get that head down, back foot up, feet over your head, and ta-da, and work on your form. Nice tight legs, pointed toes. I didn't know you were gonna do the fourth one. I was totally fine. Is there anything else you can?
Don't twist when you let your partner land, so that way you can still go into your second one or third.
Yep. Oh, and keep your core tight when you're going into it. When you're, especially when you're lifting the legs, because if you're kind of like arching, it's just a lot harder. So yeah, that's pretty much it. go over a mat or have a spotter, because you'll see in the fail, I got a little nervous sometimes. You might want to have someone behind you, behind the person, the second cartwheeler, just so they don't drop onto their head, and go on a soft surface, whatever you can do, and be safe. This could be dangerous. So really, you know, take it in steps. Get that first cartwheel really good. For the second one, you can maybe just lift one leg up like that, get the feeling of that. Oh, sorry. And then you can maybe have someone spot back here, her waist. They can grab here like that. Oh, it's a great idea. Do that. And then, you know, you'll get the hang of it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Oh, it's raining. I really, really appreciate it. You can download my app to find all my videos better. And thank you to Coach Akila for helping me out.